Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset itself. So first we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. And after you wake up the screen, press the back button right here to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called About Your Watch. It's gonna be at the bottom of the menu. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the Reset Data button. Looks like this, like the bin icon basically. Once you find it, tap on it, then confirm the reset process by pressing the middle button and wait until the resetting process is completed. It's gonna take maybe 5 or 10 seconds, well, maybe a bit longer. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.